Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to resize image in Photoshop. So let's started. At first, open your Photoshop document. Now you can see resize picture in Photoshop. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click for open option. Now select from picture. Now click open. Now open the picture in Photoshop. Now you can see. Now you select. Now keyboard press Ctrl T. Now in the resize. That it's. Now keyboard press for enter. Now you can see resize picture in Photoshop is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.